Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here in the garage. As you can see, my background it's pretty mess. You know, all over things, couple things all over the place. But anyways, today I have this Lucas. I'm gonna switch my camera. I have this Lucas high mileage oil stabilizer, and it said eliminates the noise, emission, and oil consumption associated with a worn engine, specially formulated for high mileage. All right, in my opinion, I don't know if this stuff works. My friend used it. I did his oil change on his vehicle the other day. He don't have no noise or knocks or, you know, any of that sort in his vehicle, really. So I don't even know. But for the people who actually use this stuff, does it actually works? At the back it said excellent at fighting off sludge, and it said Lucas high mileage oil stabilizer stabilize oil pressure for better performance in today's electronically controlled gasoline and diesel engines. Eliminates hesitation, rough idle, stalling, and loss of fuel mileage caused by low fluctuating oil pressure. Contains seal conditioner to slow or stop oil leaks. Great for preventive maintenance in newer engines. Now, I don't know if this stuff works because I have a Toyota. I have 2008 Toyota Avalon, and I'm over like 268k miles or 270k. Yeah, like 270k thousand miles, and my vehicle do not burn oil. The best thing to do, guys, is just keep up with your oil change. Make sure you use full synthetic always. I don't use regular oil. Things is too cheap right now. Like oil is too affordable right now. I mean, I know sometimes people don't have it like that. You could get the normal conventional oil to like do your oil change or whatever, because you know some people don't have it like that. Bills keep coming non-stop, work slow down, sometimes they cut hours on the job site, so it's understandable. But Walmart is like one of the best places to go to purchase oil. You get it at a cheaper rate. You could shop it online, get it shipped to you, you know, either or, and you could get the filter as well too. Now, I don't have no engine problem. I don't have no idle issue, knock-ins, or any emission or oil consumption. Say that my vehicle is burning oil or anything. I'm not having none of that issue, and I'm over 200,000 miles. So the question is, for anybody out there who watched this video, have you ever used this stuff? Does it works for you? I'm not really planning on using it in my car because there's no need. I don't really need this in my vehicle. I really don't. I'm gonna ask my friend how is the when I get a chance to, of course. I'm gonna ask him if it works, if you feel any different in the vehicle of the emission, or how it drives, or how is the oil consumption. Because how much quarts his vehicle actually takes 6 quarts of motor oil. I had poured 5 of the Mobil 1 full synthetic, of course. Excuse me. I had used 5 quarts of the Mobil 1 full synthetic, and then I had add this to make up the 6 quarts for his Chevy Silverado. So, and when I pour out the old oil that I had drained, it had only burned like about 1 quart. 1 quart is oil, which is not bad. And he was basically on 20%, so he wasn't even over his oil change. He had like 20% left that it was showing inside the vehicle. So I'm gonna do a follow-up video, and I'm gonna ask him if the oil stabilizer works in his vehicle. Does he feel a different? Does he notice anything? You know, if the oil pressure drops or it went up. I don't know, but I don't really recommend using that. In my opinion, it probably worked for some people. As I said, I have a Toyota and I'm over 200,000 miles, and my car do not burn oil. I don't have no low oil pressure. None of the, everything is correct. Everything is showing correct in my car. So it drives the same, drives smooth. What I notice is when I use any other oil, like from me switching from Castrol or Mobil 1 and I start using Royal Purple, I notice the response is more smooth. The car drives even better. Like the acceleration is more smooth. I don't know what additive that's in the Royal Purple oil, but I really feel the difference. So that's why I'm gonna be sticking with Royal Purple for a while until I find something different, or if I don't have the money, I'll switch back to Castrol, because I do a lot of driving. As you guys know, that I basically drive, I deliver food for a living. So I drive for DoorDash, and I be on the road every day for a long time, for like maybe a whole day. Now I don't go out there on Tuesdays, but still I be out there on the road for over 8 hours. You know, I don't keep on driving. Of course, you wait at a spot until you get a good order, and just you keep moving to make the money. But I don't know if this oil stabilizer works. I know they have a white one, and that white one is like really thick, and I don't recommend nobody putting that thick oil or additives, whatever you want to call it, in their engine. You feel me? I don't really recommend it. But if it works for you, I mean, I say continue use it. I don't really recommend nobody using that, because I don't know. It even say it eliminates dry start, cause of wear in engines, blends with all other automotive lubricants. It said that in the back right there. So I don't know if it works. I don't know what to tell you guys, but this is my review. So far my friend didn't tell me nothing, if he feel a difference, because I was with him when like 2 days ago, and we was driving. He didn't really say nothing about it. So I don't know if he's seen or feel a difference, how the vehicle drives, or whatever the case is. Just keep doing you guys oil change your oil on time. That's all I'm gonna say. And use the right oil. You feel me? Make sure you go for always full synthetic motor oil. Sometimes I use Castrol, sometimes I use Mobil 1. Right about now I'm using Royal Purple. I did use Valvoline, that Restore and Protect, before. I didn't like it. I think that whatever additive that's in there, yes, I know that they say that it cleans the engine and everything. I think that it burned. For some reason, it didn't sit right with me putting it in the car and driving it until 5,000 miles. It didn't. I don't know, for some reason. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it, the way how I feel about that. But a lot of people use it, and as I said, the type of work that I do, I be in my car a lot. I drive a lot. So right now I'm using Royal Purple, and I feel the difference. I feel the acceleration is different. It's more smoother. It's more, it's more light, like a quicker. Everything is just smooth, quicker response. I love the way how the Royal Purple work in my car. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. As I said, if you have you used this before, if it works for you, drop it down in the comment section and let me know if it actually works. Do you feel a difference? If nothing is wrong with your vehicle, if you're not hearing no knocks or your car burning oil and doing all that extra stuff, oil consumption, one engine, don't put that stuff in the car. Just keep changing your oil the way how you normally do. Change your oil and just use the right oil. I do not recommend this to put in your vehicle unless you have an old vehicle, as I said, over 200, maybe 300,000. You just want to try it out and see how it performs, but just keep changing your oil on time and use full synthetic motor oil. That's all I'm gonna go for. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Starting to it's hot down here. I should have turned on the fan. I just didn't want the background noise. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And your boy is out of here. Peace, bye bye. Take care and God bless.
You whine me, you grind me, you squeeze me.